Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this is the ORB GX2 gaming headsets. So I got this at TJ Maxx and I guess it's on the clearance. I believe this is a customer return, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So this is ORB, enhance your gaming experience. Original retail price is $24.99, and I guess it's dropped marked down to 20, 15, 12, 10, and then I finally got this yellow tag sale for only $8, which I thought was a pretty awesome deal. So this one is pretty unique and different. You can adjust the game volume, I guess, for the headsets, and then chat volume, I believe, is for the microphone. And there's an on and off switch for the mic to turn off your mic. And this is the GX2 gaming headsets. It says compatible with the Xbox 360. Well, you know, the Xbox 360, their headset, they run about like $59.99 or $49.99. So, and that is their logo. So it says GX2 allows both game sound and live chat simultaneously. Separate volume control for game sound and live chat. Comfortable ear pads. Foldable ear pads for easy storage. Integrated bass boost. USB headset can be recognized as an extra sound device by a PC, and then compatible with most PC online games, powered by USB input. And this is the barcode right here, or QR code scan. So as you can see, it is it seems like a customer return. So anyway, for $8, I cannot complain. So let's go and then unbox this. So it comes with this ORB gaming headsets GX2. And you got this flex mic. And you got this pads. Also the pads on your on top of your head. And the reason I picked this one is this one, it can rotate. And there's a L for left, R for right over there. So I'm not sure why you want to rotate it, but anyway, because your ear is most like shaped like this oval. But that was pretty unique. So and then they come with this so many adapters. So it says ORB, and this one is the on and off switch for the mic. On, off. And then there's a volume control right here, plus or minus, or either way. And then there's a microphone volume control right here as well. They also come with this RCA jack, which is pretty nice. And that connects to your 3.5mm jack right here. So unless you want to connect this to your amplifier or anything like that that require the RCA jack, you could use that adapter. And then they say this one is the 2.5mm is for the Xbox game controller. Then they come with this USB, I guess male and female connector. I guess this one is the extension cable. Let's see. Oh, so this one is so weird. Okay. You also come with this separate jack for your this is the microphone, the pink one, and then the green one is for the headset. So which is good, because last time I did the unboxing for the other gaming headset, it has a 3.5mm jack, which is a combination of microphone and then the headset all in one. So you would require to buy a special adapter like this. So if you have 3.5mm jack all in one, then you need to have this adapter to separate the headset and then the microphone. Somehow this is show red and this is pink for the mic. So this adapter is sold separately, okay? They also come with this instruction booklet. So it's a RCA extend cable and USB extend cable. So if you have a controller that has an audio input, you could use a 2.5mm jack, which is the gray one right here that I showed you guys earlier. So mostly it's for the Xbox game. So you need to connect the USB to get the power for your headset. So, and there also a different way of connecting your headphone combo mic to your TV or to your PC. Alright, so this is my unboxing for this ORB headset with the mic, gaming headsets. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Tell us what do you think about this price, $8 for this gaming mic. Gaming headsets. So please be sure to like the video and share this with your friend, family on social media. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And turn on the bell for notification. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out.